Okay, a traffic circle will only have one lane, and I think you treat it just like you do a roundabout. The key thing you want to do is pick up your yield sign. First of all, identify that it is a traffic circle or roundabout. Look to your left, and you want to make sure the other driver is yielding as well. There's also crosswalks, and to me, that's one of the positives of roundabouts, is the fact that it gets people to slow down for pedestrians. I also think that they can be safer potentially for pedestrians, although we are coming up to one here at Hoover School that has been kind of controversial because of the fact that you do have people slowing down, people aren't sure what to do, and it can be a little bit more difficult to work with when you're closer to a school or another place where there's a lot of pedestrians. So in this particular case, once again, I'm yielding to my left. I'm watching for that other driver and what they're doing. And then again, you're monitoring what other drivers are doing as you're coming around the actual traffic circle itself. To me, again, speed is everything, and the speed in a roundabout is typically around 15 miles an hour. And watching your speed as you go through the roundabout or traffic circle is what's important, and just having that awareness. They do force people to slow down. They do force people to be more aware of their surroundings. I also think it's good. Roundabouts are better in some places than traffic lights, as people will tend to try to run traffic lights and try to go through them.
What are the biggest mistakes that you see with students when learning how to navigate a traffic circle or roundabout?
Not identifying the signs and the idea of yielding. Sometimes students think yield means stop. Sometimes they don't exactly know what yield means and who do they yield to. I think that's the other thing that they oftentimes are confused about. So the idea of thinking that you're yielding to the left. I've had students try to turn left. You know, say yield to your left, and then for whatever reason they think that means turn to the left. And obviously that's not what that means.